How can you tell false information promising miracles from valuable information where you need to take a risk to get a result? I've been in situations where I've lost, but at the same time, I feel like my lack of trust makes me miss chances. And this isn't just about money. Thanks for your answer. That's a very difficult question. It all depends on who you are. If you see yourself as someone who came into this world through the Apollonian channel, your task is to calculate everything carefully and never take risks. But if you're someone who came through the Dionysian channel, your task is to follow your mood and desires, never calculate anything, and take endless risks. So, there's no simple answer. It all depends on your nature. Look back at your past. Ask yourself, have you ever been lucky in risky situations? Have you ever been lucky in lotteries or games? If yes, then risk is the fuel for your life and your success. If the answer is no, then most likely it isn't, and you are strictly forbidden from taking risks. For you, mathematics is the queen of all sciences, so rely only on your own skills, professionalism, and careful calculation of all risks and chances. Base everything exclusively on yourself, your own nature, and then you definitely won't go wrong.